Photographers, here are 5 things you might not know that Fundy Designer does. Number 1, you can create slideshows with not only your images, but also with album designs, wall art designs, and cards. And with one click, you can export those slideshows to 4K, 1080p, and sell them to your clients or give them away or whatever you want to do with them. Number 2, while everything is automated, you can manually do anything you want with our patented drop zones. You can drop photos between spreads from one page to another page. You can change the cropping with photos. You can grab that orange box, which is our drop zone, resize it, and the photos will just resize instantly with no extra work by you. Number 3, when clients comment on a design proof that you've sent them, those comments will show up right in Fundy Designer desktop, so it's super easy to make changes. Your clients can take a photo of their living room, hallway, whatever, send it to you, and you can size it in the software to show what their wall art looks exactly like on their wall at the exact same size. And number 5, instead of exporting and dealing with rows, you can click a few buttons, upload directly to the Fundy Designer server, and check out all within the Fundy Designer ecosystem. If you already knew all these 5 things, fantastic, you are a pro user. But if you learned a couple things, be sure to click like and subscribe, and we'll keep sending these tips your way.